Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel tab and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. First of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is of course required to download something, and then let's enter the Play Store. Here, of course, if you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to log in and then simply tap on the circle which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And here we've got the list of all currently installed apps, and in order to check the updates for them, we have to tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, out of 40 apps, I've got 33 updates available. So basically all we have to do is to find the apps we would like to update and mark them. So if you want to, you can mark all of them, but I think I will update only one or two. So let me pick Google Chrome and maybe Google Photos. And if you are done with marking, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that it will immediately and automatically install them. So basically you just have to wait patiently. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.